Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to sign up on Skrill. So let's get started. The first step you need to take is go to the website skrill.com, and then once you are here you can see the option for sign up right there. Click on sign up now. Now let's get started. You can choose a language. This is a language which is English that I'm using. You can choose another language. Now the next thing I'm going to do, you're going to choose your country of residence. Here, put in your country of residence and then the currency also. So once you're done with that, you click on next. Next, you're going to put in your email and password. And once you're done, you click on get info from. You can decide to check this, which means you get information through email. If you don't, you uncheck it. So once you've put in your email and password, you click on next. So we've done that. Next, you click on next button. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. So we're going to input it, 257981. And then we click on send after putting the verification code. Next, you're going to enter your personal details and then you put your address details. Once you put in all your personal details, you click on next. Next, you put in your address details and then follow the prompt. And that should be it. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.